What's up, guys? It's Aaron from How To's by Bros. In this video, I'm going to show you how to throw a foam dodgeball fast and hard. Let's dive right into the video. So how to throw a foam dodgeball fast and hard. Okay, what you're going to do is a lot of people just throw it like they just use their arm, you know what I mean? They're just like throw it, short arm it, you know, they throw it like that kind of thing. What you're going to do is you're going to, first of all, when you're throwing a foam dodgeball fast and hard, you're going to focus on aiming for their knees or their shins, okay? I know they can jump, but that's better than throwing it at their chest and then them catching it. So throw it at their shins and use your whole body, okay? So point where you want to throw it and then twist your whole body, like, and then use your legs as well, okay? Like, use your hips and your legs to drop. Use your legs off your back foot to your front foot, transfer that weight, and use your back as well, your torso, to get that extra power, okay? And then go down with it. Like, should be. Use your legs and your torso and all that, okay? So, it's torso, and just start, like, I like to throw it about like right here, like a little bit higher than 90 degrees. You don't want to throw it lower than 90 degrees because that'll hurt your elbow. That'll give you elbow pain. So throw it like higher than 90 degrees. Point where you're throwing it. Use your point, tuck your elbow in, tuck your arm in, and then use your legs. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll show you one. That's how to throw a dodgeball fast and hard. Foam dodgeball fast and hard.